Amazon is full of tons of amazing gadgets. You don't have to spend a fortune on these gadgets. Welcome back to TechLore with another list of outstanding gadgets on Amazon you must have. Number 1. Earbuds Cleaning Pen. This cleaning tool is a pen to clean the entire set of Bluetooth earplugs from the small hole of the earplug to the charging compartment, 360-degree cleaning without dead ends, making your earbuds more durable. Made of environmentally friendly soft materials, it will not damage the earplug components and holes. Pen-shaped design, it is lightweight and easy to carry. It can be used anytime and anywhere. Suitable for Bluetooth earbuds, headsets, mobile phone, computer, tablet, camera, and other digital products. Number 2. Reader for magstripe. Square Reader for magstripe works with any Square point-of-sale app, so you can take payments on your iPhone or iPad, at your computer, or on the go. The Lightning connector version of Square Reader works with iOS 10.0.2 or after. Download the Square point-of-sale app, plug in Square Reader for magstripe, and you're ready to start selling. Square point-of-sale is a free app that gives you everything you need to do business. Ring up customers, send or print receipts, and accept tips with an intuitive checkout experience. Make smarter business decisions with real-time inventory and sales reporting. Number 3. Waterproof T-shirt. This t-shirt features round neck, short sleeves, breathable fabric, waterproof and anti-dirty, comfortable fit, breathable, and quick drying. This shirt is made from a waterproof and stain-resistant material, so you'll never have to worry about getting wet or dirty while wearing it. The breathable fabric will keep you cool and comfortable all day long, while the quick dry feature ensures that you'll always be ready for whatever comes your way. Whether you are hitting the gym, the beach, or just running errands, the anti-dirty waterproof t-shirt is the perfect choice for any activity. Number 4. Spinning Arc Lighter. This is the upgrading arc lighter which can display real-time battery volume. When 5 LED lights on the barrel turn on, it is fully charged. USB lighter can provide over 600 uses on a full charge. Stop wasting money on disposable butane lighters. Roman Ventures plasma arc lighters are rechargeable, so you can use them over and over again. Save your money and the environment. Its lit lighters are rechargeable. Simply use the included USB cable to recharge your device through an outlet, computer, or car USB adapter. Number 5. Rolling Tablet Floor Stand. The Levo G2 Essential Tablet Stand is an adjustable iPad, tablet, and e-reader stand that allows any individual to sit, recline, or even relax in bed. Flip lever height locks and 5-axis articulating swing arm for quick positioning. Simply grab the platform, then swing, tilt, and spin it into a perfect view. No clearance needed under your furniture. Includes 2-inch wheels for smooth rolling. Patented. Quickly spins from portrait to landscape so you can view your pages or photos at their best. Height adjusts from 30 to 56 inches, nice range, measured from floor to center of device. You can quickly switch from electronic devices to books and magazines. Compatible with all iPads including 12.9 iPad Pro, Galaxy tablets, Surface, Zoom, Nexus, Nook, Fire, and other tablets and e-readers with length from 5.25 to 13.5 inches and weighing up to 4 pounds. Attach and remove your device in seconds. Number 6. Automatic Dog Feeder. The dog feeder consistently provides food for your pets smoothly for a couple of days. It can only be used for dry food with the food size between 0.2 and 0.6 inches. The large capacity ensures your pets stay full no matter where you are. Built-in voice recorder and a speaker to record your voice messages for tens and play it when dispenser food. WO Pet Automatic Dog Feeder could program up to 4 meals a day to feed your pet, 1 to 8 portions per meal, which can help keep your dog or cat on a good feeding schedule. Timed program and customized daily meals to dispense food at the right time. Never miss a meal when you are working overtime or traveling. A power adapter and 3D size batteries are used for the pet feeder at the same time. Batteries installed as backup power to ensure automatic feeding in case of power failure. Number 7. Star Night Projector. This star projector for bedroom has been upgraded to 3-in-1 version of Aurora Projector, Bluetooth speaker, and white noise machine. It now features dual projection lenses able to project the northern lights effect with 16 colors and lively starlight skies to create a relaxing atmosphere with soothing music, bringing you to enjoy the beauty of nature. Transform your living room into a beautiful and romantic getaway with peaceful moving lights. The night lights for the kids' room come pre-installed with 8 different white noise sounds that can help you and your babies, toddlers, and kids fall asleep more easily. The 8 soothing sounds are Twinkle Little Stars, Summer Night, Stream, Ocean Waves, Birds Chirping, Rain, Lullaby, and Campfire. The star projector also has an auto-off timer which you can set to turn off after 1 or 2 hours. No need to worry about leaving it on when trying to fall asleep. Will be off after 4 hours if you forgot to set the timer, but can be turned back on if you want to continue to have it in use. Number 8. Maxxima 8 Outlet Workshop. This powerful workstation instantly adds outlets, USB ports, and additional lighting to your workspace. It is a great addition to any shop, warehouse, garage, basement, or office. It can be wall-mounted or can work as a standalone unit using the included end caps. The powerful work lights produce a combined 1000 lumens of 6000 K daylight, really illuminating your space for optimal work conditions. The lights can be adjusted up and down 90 degrees. The unit also has a phone cradle where you can rest your cell phone while it's charging or just for safekeeping while you work. This heavy-duty device is versatile and provides much more than a standard power strip. Number 9. Tesla Plasma Loudspeaker. It's a smart device for the wireless transmission experiment. You'll become fascinated by this Tesla coil. It's absolutely a magic for kids, even for adults, and we can't wait to hunt out the knowledge behind the model. You can connect your phone, MP3, computer audio. It is not limited to music format, it can play any form of music. The product adopts the new PCB circuit board, reasonable circuit design. A circle of green lights is added to the base to make the model beautiful. This music Tesla can light fluorescent lamp, neon bubble, spectral tube, glow tube, stroboscopic tube, etc. It can produce an arc. The high temperature produced by the arc can ignite the paper. You can also use it as a magic prop to perform. Number 10. Evo 2.0 Portable Shaver. Evo Shaver 2.0 is only 240 grams and you can easily put it wherever you want, such as in the car, your backpack, or even the pocket on your jeans or pants. Shave at any time you want. Evo Shaver 2.0 provides a closer and more comfortable safe shave, also with the 8000 RPM motor speed, which is 2 times that of common electric shavers. Evo Shaver can provide a speedy and smooth cut. Helps to achieve the cleanest shave and more effective hair removal. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to enter the travel lock mode, which can prevent the Eco Shaver from accidentally powering on and makes it perfectly safe in your bag or pocket. You can simply hold the power button for 3 more seconds to quit the safe lock mode. With this feature, you will never worry about it starting by itself in your bag or luggage. Evo 2.0 is washable and IPX6 waterproof for convenient usage in the shower. To clean the shaver, simply twist to open the shaver blades' mesh foil cutters and rinse them under running water, or remove all the hair debris from the blades with the brush provided. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, then please give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech info. Till next time.